According to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and you have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So therefore, here first we have to do this parentheses, then this division, and finally this multiplication. Okay? So first this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 1 plus 1, which gives us 2. So 8 divided by 4, then times 2. Now we have to do this division, because as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first 8 divided by 4, which equals 2. So 2 times 2 gives us 4. And this is our final answer to this problem.